I'm gonna be making, it's called Crockpot chicken and stuffing. Okay, so let's get started. You're gonna need, I got this off of, it's called Moss Family TV. They have 5 kids, they're a young couple. Okay, so let's get started on that. So you need the chicken. You can use thighs, you can use breast, or you can use both together. They have to be boneless. Stovetop stuffing. I got the chicken one. You can use the store brand too. Cream of chicken, salt and pepper, and I'm going to use some sage. Now they didn't use sage, but I'm going to put sage because I like sage in my stuffing. Okay, so let's get started on getting everything together. Okay, I've got the chicken in there. Now I spray my crock pot with cooking spray, and just so that the chicken won't stick. It may not, but still I just want to make sure. And just put salt, and pepper. I'm going to turn it over. I've already got my crock pot on high, heating up. Just think it helps get it warm up and start cooking faster. Okay, now turn that over, put more pepper on there and salt. Okay, now, oh yes, and you need a 1/3 cup of sour cream too. Where is my sour cream? There it is. Which I'm just going to use this 8-ounce package of it. Now your stovetop should already have salt in it. Ingredients: chicken, cooked chicken, celery, soybean oil, sugar, chicken broth. Let me see how much sodium. It should go, okay, here we go, right here. Yep, wow, 309, is that 90? 390 milligrams. Wow, that's a lot of sodium, yeah. So I'm not going to add any salt to this cream of chicken, this stovetop. There. Okay, so I'm going to put the cream of chicken in there. Put the sour cream in there. Yeah, I'm just, yeah, like I said, I'm using an 8-ounce package of sour cream. And what else does it say? A 1/3 cup of water. Okay, then you put a 1/3 cup of water in there. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of sage. Now, I got some ground sage here. I'm just going to add a little bit of sage in there. And then you mix all of that up. So it's sour cream, cream of chicken. Now she adds frozen green beans on top of hers. I'm using that as an option. Now if you want to do that, then go right ahead and you'll put it on top. But I'm just going to cook green beans to the side. She said to add the stuffing mix. Now you can use any kind of stuffing you want. But I'm using the chicken. You can even put turkey in this if you want. It's perfectly fine. If you don't want to add chicken, add turkey. That would be good too. Be like a Thanksgiving dinner. This is kind of like a Thanksgiving dinner, isn't it? Okay, so I'm just spreading it. And now I'm going to put the mix here. Put it all over this. Been wanting to try this ever since I seen her make that for her family. I'm telling you, this family, they're Christians. They do Bible reading and stories times, you know, with their kids. They're a very good, wholesome family. And she cooks good meals for her children, her family, and her husband. They're very nice to watch. And, okay, so here, you're going to cover it. Now, okay, high on to 4 hours. Low on 6 to 8 hours. Now, if you want to add more chicken, go right ahead. I'm only making 4 pieces for myself. And if you have a bigger family, I would add, you know, maybe 6 pieces, 5 to 6 pieces or more. It's up to you. You just have to cook it longer. Okay, so we'll be back in 4 hours to check it. It's done. Let me get, I already checked it. Make sure. Now I had to add a 1/4 cup of more of water to get this, because it just looked like it was still too dry. But, it looks like it's done now. Yeah, it's done. And you just, here, let me get that. Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. It cooked 4 hours on high. You want to leave it all day, I would cook it at least 6 hours on low. And I'm going to try it for you. And I've got it plated up here. I let it set for a little bit. And now I'm going to try it. There is the stuffing right there. Let me see. Really good. Now, like I said, if you're going to use frozen green beans, put them on the top when you start it and cook those on top and cook it all together. But I just opened canned green beans and heated them up. This is Crockpot chicken and stuffing.